Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Gracia. I wish you have a lifetime full of smiles, happiness, and love. I pray to God to grant you a long life and good health. More blessings and more birthday to come. Just happy birthday message for one of my best friend, Miyaka. Happy birthday, Ate Gracia.
Happy 33 birthday, Ate Gracia. More birthdays to come. And thank you sa pagiging mabuti sa lahat ng member ng BGC. Thank you din sa WePlay kasi nakilala ka namin. Happy birthday, Ate Gracia.
Ay, buti nakahabol pa yung greetings ko. I'm very busy pa. Ayan. Happy 33rd birthday, Ate Gracia. Hope you're doing good. May God bless you and ayun nga. Ano ba sasabihin ko? Pabalot na lang po ng Shanghai and then kukunin ko po sa bahay nyo later. God bless po. Dapat 23 years old po yung sasabihin ko kaso hindi na po totoo pag ganun yun. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Grace. Wish ko sana pagpalain ka ni Lord. Hindi lang ngayong birthday mo, kundi araw-araw. At habaan niya pa ang pasensya mo dahil bilang alam mo na tayo mga nanay. Minsan, ang pasensya natin umiikli. Yun lang. Happy birthday. I love you. Mwah.
Hello, Ninang Gracia. Happy birthday sa'yo. At ngayong 33 ka na. Wala lang, 33 ka na. Inaantay ko yung RP. Charis. Yun talaga, happy birthday sa'yo. May you live a long, happy life at more birthdays to come. And sana palagi kayong safe. God bless. Happy birthday ulit!
Ate Gracia, happy birthday. More sorry to ka. Pala, may gift ako sa'yo. Sa'yo lang to ha. Or kung gusto mo, hatian mo si Mami Miyaka, ito inyo na.
Happy birthday, Ate Gracia. Or birthday to come.